So plot twist, there is no train. This is our transportation.
The Parkers are on a train again. So today's a very special day. Let me step back. So, sure, go ahead and take my announcement away. But yes, today is Siobhan's birthday. So for her birthday, we're going to make a quick little bop to Charlotte, North Carolina via Amtrak.
Yep.
So today we are taking the Piedmont 73.
I'm pretty excited. This is a new route for us, and y'all have been begging for new train routes.
Begging for new train routes.
Yes.
So actually, this is a two-parter.
Yes.
So we're taking this leg to Greensboro, and then from Greensboro, then we head to Charlotte. We're gonna have to switch trains in Greensboro. So we've never done basically a layover on a train.
No, this is gonna be new for us.
Also, we are leaving from Cary, North Carolina, not our standard Raleigh, North Carolina, because in Cary, you can actually park
For free.
Yes. So we decided to leave from Cary. The train leaves in about 30 minutes. We've never been to this train station before, so we're gonna go get some footage and look around and explore. So I'll let you, however you wanna close this.
Oh, okay. Well, also happy 1 year anniversary to the channel, because 1 year ago today we started this channel.
Oh, let's go.
Happy anniversary.
Happy
channel.
anniversary.
All right, so you know what day it is? It's train day, baby.
Why not? It's train day, baby. Let's go. Hello. Nice to meet you.
Brandon,
Yes.
meet the railroad man.
Hi, Railroad Man.
Railroad man, meet Brandon.
Oh, Brandon. Hope you're doing well. How long have you been here? Oh, never mind. I can read it.
1997.
You seem like you're just trying to mind your business, and I respect it. So I'm gonna let you go. Thank you for your time.
Yep. Speaking of time, it's about time to load up on this train. You about ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, and little known fact, this is also, it may not be little known, but it was little known to us. This is also a bus stop, so you can actually pick up a connection to Apex, North Carolina here as well. So we also see that there is 2 separate tracks, which is kind of different from Raleigh. Raleigh has the same thing, but the tracks are close together. So for either go to platform A, which will be the platform we'll be getting on, that'll take you Piedmont, so that'll take us mostly into like the Charlotte area where we're going, or you can take platform B, which is where we usually will be on the Floridian, that takes us south. So
one takes us interstate,
and
one takes us
out of state. Yep, there you go. The more you know. Plot twist. There is no train. This is our transportation. I did not book the ticket. BP booked the tickets. So
I know it was a mixed service. It was something called mixed service. So I just thought that was like we were just taking two different trains. No.
we're taking a bus. So let's go.
So we're taking the bus to Greensboro.
Because the seat has been taken. Let's go. All right, so the bus does have cup holders here on both sides. I'm sorry because I'm already sitting in electrical ports, and this is for like USB. So if you need them, you can. There's also a footrest here, and there's some storage here. So yeah,
It's not a. If you're carrying like a bulkier little bag, then you might have some issues with spacing. There is
overhead over there.
There is. Oh, you can see over here.
Yeah.
See this, but it's not a lot.
Yeah.
Like it's not.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna manage the best way we can till we get to Greensboro. Also, it is chilly on the bus. So.
Yes. So bring a jacket.
Yes.
So it's officially 10:10 a.m. and we're at our first stop, which is Durham, to pick up more passengers, or if somebody needs to get off, they can get off. But this is it's rocky. We weren't prepared for this type of rocky because there's a lot of hard braking because there's traffic. And that's North Carolina. It's kind of carry traffic, what we get, but yeah.
I mean, it took us 32 minutes to get here, so I've been incapacitated. So just to kind of guys like our schedule is. So we're scheduled to get to Greensboro at 11:25 a.m.
So we got another hour and 15 minutes of this.
Yeah, yes. So and once we get to Greensboro to Charlotte, 12:45 to 2:16. So let's see if we can hold that schedule. It was supposed to be 2:20, but now it's 2:16. So I'm hoping to keep that same pace.
Yes.
And get to Charlotte by a decent hour. So we'll keep you guys abreast of the situation.
Let's go. All right, so it's 10:27, and we picked up some more folks, as you can hear behind us. So we're gonna make this quick. We're on our way to Greensboro. How many stops do we have in between? Do you remember? I don't think we have any more. No.
This is the last one.
All right, so we're an hour away from Greensboro, so we're expected to be there at 11:25.
Just 20 minutes early.
Yeah, and it's 10:27. So let's see if we can make that happen. Let's go. You seen that? Faces of Durham?
I say between Cary and Durham, the bus, their train stations are very nice places.
Yeah, they are. Oh,
Where that bus is going.
right. It's going in a different direction. Did you know this was Jackie Robinson Drive?
Yes.
I did not know that. On the road. Excuse me, sorry. You too. So there's two things. This is the 2 for $1 bag of chips. Oh, they might be a little bit bigger. I think they're in between a full size bag and a 2 for $1 bag. $1.59. That's criminal. Time to go.
The very first platform you come to, platform number 1. You'll enter the platform on your left-hand side of the hallway. Stairs are on the left-hand side, the elevator is on the right-hand side, and this is the very first platform you come to. You enter the second set of doors on the left-hand side of platform number 1. Again, we do apologize for the late anything for you to
Apologize.
So the thing is, you remember when she told everybody to sit down? Mm-hmm. Everybody just slowly migrated out here and stood anyway. So I saw that coming back. So as you notice, there's not a lot of people in here because everybody was already out there. All right, on to the train. I guess. I think there's still a sign as far as I know. Yeah. But here we go.
Are you excited for your first trip on the Piedmont?
I am excited for my first trip on the Piedmont. New adventures.
The Piedmont's 73.
Oh, I thought it was a 71.
No, it's a 73.
Oh, okay.
Get pumped up.
Got our tickets.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
He never looks up. He's always looking down. Always.
He told me to pull out our tickets.
You gotta be ready. If you stay ready, you gotta get ready.
So at some point, I gotta look down and get the tickets as you requested.
Oh wait, there's two trains. There's two trains. It's the closest we've been to the caboose.
Also, sorry, don't cross the yellow line. You will get yelled at.
Yeah, no, don't do that.
I did that one time before. I have a hard time with boundaries. It didn't get yelled at.
Agreed.
You may have noticed that we are not going at full speed right now. We're going to be doing reduced speed here just for a little bit longer due to the fact that this is an area where they're doing newly construction work. Once again, this is an area where they're doing new construction work on the tracks. We have to go slow in order to make sure that everything is set properly. So if you would bear with us for a few moments, we're going to be continuing at this speed. Once we get out of the construction area, we'll return back to full speed. Thank you.
Good to know.
Like, so they're saying that we're not going at full speed. They're not kidding. So this is how fast we're going.
21 miles per hour.
Yeah. So we're just cruising at the moment. But I didn't know we'd be going this slow. Like, this is like getting in the car and just like slowly pressing your foot on the pedal for miles. So
Better safe than sorry.
So yeah, top speed of 27 miles an hour.
Okay, we're speeding up.
Right, so it did not take long. So as soon as I hung up with y'all last time,
Not hung up.
it quickly went from 23 miles an hour to now max speed now is 78 miles an hour. So it didn't take long. I just had to be patient. You know,
Patience is a virtue.
I'm not a patient person, but yeah, that's the difference in speed. Alright, so this is for the handicap. This is trash. It's where people keep their luggage. Restrooms on both sides. Mouth car this way. But the action movie. Lounge, you can have little waters, coffee, sink, accessories, vending machines, variety of snacks, 2 machines. And machine, and let's see, there's more seating back there. So let's get back to my seat. Oh boy. And here's Siobhan doing nothing. Count it. 2 soda machines, 2 vending machines.
That's it?
And it's just some seating.
Oh.
It was like a normal cafe. It'd be like a cafe car. It is a cafe car, but except
There's no attention.
except for like food, it's just vending machines.
Okay. Options.
Okay.
All right, it is 1:54 p.m. and we have made our first stop in Salisbury, North Carolina. And just like that, 1:55, we are off again. It's 2:10 and we are in Kannapolis. Alright, 2:11 and we are leaving Kannapolis.
The station. If you would please take this time, start gathering all belongings. Do not forget to look above and below you. Once again, do not forget to look above and below you. Couple things to keep in mind, folks. Couple things to keep in mind, please. First, once we arrive at Charlotte Station, as you detrain, there will be a gap in between the train and the platform, so please mind your step as you detrain. Secondly, all those that have checked luggage, all checked luggage is to be reclaimed inside the station, not train side. All checked luggage is to be reclaimed inside the station. On behalf of North Carolina DOT and Amtrak, thank you for choosing us as your mode of transportation. Welcome to Charlotte.
Alright, so we made it.
Where did we make it to? Exactly.
We are at.
We never told you.
No, we didn't. We're in Charlotte, and we made it to our hotel, which is right across the street, Courtyard by Marriott City Center. Luckily for us, we have a magic room key where we can just go ahead and go straight to our room. We don't have to go to the counter.
Voila.
It's
magic.
It's magic. Let's go and check it out. Maybe I gotta take this off. The first it was like, it's unlocked. Oh, there we go. It just took a second. Oh. We have a nice view of a building and the sky and more buildings. But we're here. Oh, we're here.
All right, room tour coming soon, presumably.
Room tour coming soon. Okay, we have. What do you want to do, the sit down thing?
That's fine.
Stand up, sit down thing.
Oh, fine. No.
All right, we have made it to our destination.
Yes. So let's talk about our train situation.
Which was not planned, by the way. But if it's going to happen to anybody, I swear it's going to happen to us.
I legitimately booked 2 train tickets. There was supposed to be a transfer.
The transfer was in Greensboro.
Yes, but that was supposed to be a train to train transfer, not a bus to train transfer.
Yes.
Yes. But it all worked out. We enjoy a good bus trip.
Yeah.
So it all worked out. So our travel time from Cary, North Carolina to Charlotte, between the bus and the train, and the layover in Greensboro, 4 hours and 59 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just say this. There is a more direct train if you're willing to leave at like 6:30 in the morning.
We were not.
No. This is not an airport. We weren't in a rush. And we wanted to give you guys an option because a lot of the times we do direct from one to another, but sometimes people don't understand the mixed service. Now we understand mixed service can mean anything.
It mean anything. I always saw it, but we never did it.
Yeah.
I probably would not do mixed service. I probably would not prefer to do mixed service outside of North Carolina.
No, but also I don't know if I would do it in this short of a distance again either.
Yeah.
Because it's not like it required there was no difference in price. The price was the same whether we went direct or mixed. The only difference is the time of day. And because we did not want to get up and be on the train at 6:30 this morning, a later train meant that we got the mixed service.
Yeah. So as far as the bus ride, that we kind of went over that, there's not much leg room. So if you have like a bulky book bag or something, then you got to hope there are some seats empty around you, so you can place it there.
You can check it. Like you could check it. You could check it underneath the bus.
Yeah. You could also do that, but just me, I was like, I'm not checking a boat bag.
That's what I thought too.
Yeah.
When he offered it, I was just like, no, we'll take it. And now we understand why he offered it.
Yep. So there's that. The train, I enjoyed the train. This was like I know I was asleep for most of it.
But that's the part of it.
Yes. I enjoy this train trip simply because there is more leg room.
Yes.
And you can recline further back than the trains that we've taken on the trips that we've taken on the Floridian.
The minus, there's no the leg lift underneath your calves. That's not there, but I don't think it was to the point where I missed it.
Apparently, I didn't miss it because again, I went to sleep. Another negative for the Piedmont: there's no cafe service.
Right.
They only offer vending machines, so do not get up there hungry.
No, do not.
And expect something. Do not get up there hungry. So that was the only negative for me. Is
the plus Wi-Fi. There was no Wi-Fi on the Floridian unless you went to the cafe cart. Either time that we took it.
Sure. Now the Wi-Fi. Now don't be expecting high speed fiber internet here.
I'm doing conference calls.
No. You're gonna be able to check emails, watch some YouTube, Facebook, TikToks, Instagram, that stuff. So
it does buffer.
It does buffer even on that.
Yes.
So just manage your expectations. But overall, I enjoyed the Piedmont 73 so far. That's my favorite train, simply because of the leg room and the ability to recline us back as far as it is.
I wish we had more time on the Piedmont, the 71 or the 73.
Just don't get up there hungry.
No, don't get up there
Just
hungry.
do not get up there hungry.
We will be prepared next time.
Next time will be maybe tomorrow, maybe Saturday. We don't know when we're leaving. We don't know when we're leaving Charlotte, but we know that you'll be right there with us. I didn't steal it. I don't
know, but all I do know is we gotta find something to eat, and we'll think about it ending later.
We don't know when we're leaving Charlotte, but we'll let you know when we figure it out.
I like it.
So that was our experience on Piedmont 73. Let us know in the comments. Have you ever rode the Piedmont 73?
And did you like the comfort? Did you enjoy the Wi-Fi? Did you miss the calf lip crazy thing I'm talking about? The thing that's on the Floridian that's not on the Piedmont.
But thank you for coming along with us. We greatly appreciate you.
Thank you for celebrating my birthday with me.
Correct. Yes.
And the 1-year anniversary of our channel.
Let's go feed the chicken.
Yay!
So we're gonna go out and explore Charlotte. And so
stay tuned for the next video.
Stay tuned for the next
See
video.
what we got into.
So until next time,
Parker's out.